So this is how useful the Royal Caribbean app is when you want to go on your next cruise and you don't know exactly the ship layout or where's your cabin, where's this venue, where's that venue. They used to give you a paper map, but now with the Royal Caribbean app, you now have this digital app, and this app definitely helps you when you're on board. It'll work with or without their internet package, so you don't have to worry about it if you don't have the Wi-Fi package or not. The thing is, make sure your device is on airplane mode. So I want to give you a layout of the next ship that I'm going on, which is the Harmony of the Seas. This one's leaving out of Galveston, Texas now. And I want to give you guys an idea and show you exactly how this mapping system works, because you're mostly going to be having your phone with you on board the ships nowadays. So we'll start off with Deck 2. This is basically nothing more than your boarding area or medical. That's pretty much all they have down here. Now, moving on to Deck 3, start off at the front of the ship. This is where you'll have your conference center. You'll have more of your cabins here. And you'll have the American Icon main dining room. So the main dining room actually starts on Deck 3. It's 3 stories high. Deck 4, you'll have the Grande main dining room. You'll have casino. That'll be on your Deck 4. This is where Studio B is. That's the ice rink where you'll see the ice shows. And then you'll have various more shows down here. The attic, casino non-smoking now. The Diamond Club is down here. And you'll have the bottom level of the Royal Theater. Go to Deck 5. You'll have the Vitality Spa, the Royal Theater. You'll have more elevators. Then you'll have the Boleros. You'll have the shore excursions, the promenade. So basically Deck 5 is your main deck. This is pretty much where you're going to enter the ship and where you're going to leave the ship upon embarkation and debarkation. Here you'll have all the shops. You'll have the Sorrento's Pizza, Cafe Promenade, the guest services, the Rising Tide Bar. You'll have even the Bionic Bar. And you'll have the dining room that's in Deck 5. Upon Deck 6, you'll have the other section of the Vitality Spa. So it'll be in 2 sections. You'll have the Vitality Cafe, more cabins, as you can see here. You'll have the photos right here on the side. So remember, this is going to be on Deck 6, so you can take these stairs here, or you can take the elevators, either one. Then you'll have your Starbucks, which is an extra cost. It's not included. The Boardwalk dog house is where you get your free hot dogs. Carousel. So this is going to be basically your boardwalk area on Deck 6. You'll have more shops. You'll have the rock climbing walls and the Aqua Theater. So there's one section for the Aqua Theater here. On Deck 7, you're going to have mostly cabins. So it's all cabins here on Deck 7. Deck 8, you'll have cabins, but you'll also have Park Cafe. This is where you're going to get all your Central Park stuff, so you can walk through Central Park. You'll also have the Rising Tide Bar that ends here. And you'll have the Dazzles. So if you're looking for Dazzles, you'll know it's on Deck 8. Deck 9, all cabins, including Dazzles, the 2nd level. Deck 10, all cabins. Deck 11, more cabins and the Wonderland, in case you have that specialty dining restaurant booked. Deck 12, all cabins and Wonderland's next level. Deck 14, this is where you're going to have your solarium. You're going to have the Adventure Ocean for the kids. So this is where all the Adventure Ocean stuff is going to be in here. You'll have cabins. You'll have a card room, an RC online. Deck 15, this is going to be your outdoor area of your solarium. You're going to have the whirlpools. You'll have the slides, the pool area. This is your pool zone. You'll have this area here, the arcades. You'll have the sports club and sports areas all back here in the back of the ship. Deck 16, this gives you the solarium bar. This will give you more of the elevators here. Then you'll have the Windjammer. Starts off on deck 16. Flow riders and all that in the back, plus your zip line. 17 is basically for the suites. And that's pretty much the layout for the Harmony of the Seas. And most of the Oasis class type of ships are going to have these similar venues, but you never have to be wandering around trying to find those. As long as you're using the Royal Caribbean app, as long as you have your ship in here set up, you're ready to go. Hopefully this helped you out. Hopefully the app will help you out on your next cruise. Don't forget, make sure you like and subscribe, and I will catch you later with more videos.